Yeah, and this are intense. Put this one intense right beside our water this so. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Anyway guys, today is moving day and it's official. Finally, yeah, I'm getting out this house. It's just amazing. Okay, take that up for me please. So okay, so I'm moving today, right? Like for real. I have stuff in the car. We have so much stuff left in the garage to get out, but I have stuff in the cars. The cars are full. My car is full. Shane cars is full. Janice's car is here also, but we went and moved some stuff already, so we're gonna head on over there again with these the car them full up again. So we're just gonna move little by little and get rid of these stuff. So yeah, it's official. Girl, now look badass. So but yeah, once I reach over there I'll show you guys. I'm super excited, but I'm super like tired and I'm hungry. And I have in my TTDIs, yes, which matches with my braids that Touch by Tiny did. Rocking my Glam Visory accessories as usual. Yeah. Oh, I'm not having an earring. Me take them out. I add in a pair of oops, but I took them out. So the baby's in the car sleeping. We're about to drive off, but Cushion went back inside for 1 minute now. So basically we are waiting on him. But yeah guys, it's official, getting these stuff out the house and we're moving. All right, the kids are prepared already. Everybody's ready. I'm rocking my this Minnie or Mickey? Mickey? I don't know, one of them.
Mickey, I think it's Mickey.
Is on my shirt. So there's so much boxes still in the garage and stuff, but we got to get them out the garage now and out the house. So I'll keep you guys posted once we get there and let you know everything else, so stay tuned.
Mama, that's mini Rosado.
The car full. That's boxes with products. We went to, well, not me, but Janice went over there already, so we could just move what we can move. These are the pallets and stuff. Front of me, the baby's on the other side. The front of my car full too.
Welcome to Delicious.
Like there, I think Cushion trunk. I don't know how to pull film car trunk, you know. His car trunk is full. Some sweeper underfoot business. Let me see. What am I talking about him trunk full? To look at something. So I'm gonna drive his car.
Really?
And we have new products here, by the way, but we keep back some. Oh yes, it's open. Oh,
Lip gloss.
it's not a lip gloss.
What is it?
I'm gonna show it to you.
Ooh. What is that?
This one is
You
all
make
out.
it pop thing?
Yeah, guys, I spend time on my products, and this is amazing. Look at this. This one is all out. These are eyeshadow base
And this doesn't taste
primer.
good. I don't
Let me
want
show it to you.
This one is mine.
Can you open this for me, please? Can you hold this?
Look, who? Why'd you have two? This one is mine. Looks like lip
This is how
gloss.
it looks. Yes, this is the lightest shade. We do have two shades. One is called All Out and one is called Intense. This is All Out. You see that? Beautiful. Put it back. So yeah, I think these are some of, see that? Even my box say Watch Crissy Work, Make It Pop, Rescue. And this is in the shade All Out. We have a couple there. So I guess this is just one box. There's more in the garage and some is at the storage already. So I'll show it to you guys. Alright guys, we have a few boxes. I did make the label for these. And I don't know if this, any of, no. Okay, so we have one that is open. And I'll show you guys this one. So this is see, it's called WatchCrissyWork Make It Pop Rescue eyeshadow base primer. This is in the shade Intense. This is a little darker shade, and this is how it looks. So we do have two shades. The one that I showed you before was whiter, and this one is, so both of them nice. So yeah, so this is it. These are new products. They're not on the website as yet, but we're gonna get them in the storage and stuff like that. We'll have like about one box having maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 boxes of this, and we'll have like 30 something boxes of these. So yeah, products are moving. We have new inventory coming, so we have to move that. Then next I have to move these. These are loose eyeshadow just in case. These are rose water bottles. These are covers, rose water bottles covers. I think brushes are in these. So we have so much stuff. I have to move out this, the bubble wrap. It's supposed to go to the storage also. So this is the bubble wrap right here. The big, man, I know if you can hold on a car, big. It might not look big on this, but it's really big. This is what we use already, so that one will stay here. So much boxes for packaging. One heap of something I have to move. The place is jacked up right now, but we're gonna make sure everything is organized after these. Now me want to give them away. Them three chair, 4, one upstairs that's brand new. I add these. I was gonna throw them out, but if I know anybody in the Orlando area I want them, we can just give it to them. So we have to get rid of them there too. But the garage I will clear out eventually. Stay tuned.
Money from a bird, nothing like me standard. Some of them are real food, but some one like a scam. Then I see them on the ground. But the only gram me know where the money come from. When me a buy the kush from a weed man. Yeah, them got me few times, some essentially. And the amount of criminal and money they in on my phone call. They look at chopping with them going with that smart. Let me see the ring work when you mock it work. 17 verse first, earth and the nurse.
So guys, we're at the storage now. And one of them can push in on this?
No.
This one full of kids them there with me. With us rather. Can push going. Anyway, the storage, like, it's boom, the door is there and we are close, so we're not that far. But anyway, these are some of the stuff.
This is blush.
That's not blush.
All out.
This is all right. So this, everything was say all out, put them pan one. Is a aisle, is the this is a all out too.
Sure.
This a Intense all out. See all out there, yeah.
Intense there, Jamaica.
Whatever, man. And they're setting powder. That's a all out. Yeah, and this are Intense. Put this one Intense right beside our water this. So put all the island vibes in one place. And then Intense Island Vibes blush palette. Put that funny blush, yeah. And just, you can rest on up on top. Oh, that's our Island Vibes. Once me see box, me know Island Vibes. Oh, guys, I was gonna buy one of these, but the storage, you use them. They have 2 at the front, so we can use them. So I save my money. I save $100 and something. Can you believe that? Probably I need one. I think Home Depot have one for $79. So that's what's up. All right, this is that. We're going to push them. Everything come out of here so far. The big something them, I don't know which one our vehicle. It can't hold in now. The bubble wrap. I may have some rest of boxes when it fill in now. Ibaka to pull on everything. Alright, so the kids are here with us. Nobody's in the storage, so that's good. Push this go this up. And I get the first floor, which is more expensive, but with the right at the door. Right at the door. So to the what this one? You lying. They have an elevator. The upstairs one was a little bit, and it's climate control, so inside cool. But yeah, we'll leave them here right door, babes. Right, Tessa. So we're going back out. Hey, family. Ooh, I was eating a blue lollipop. So me and Jenny's there. We're officially leaving the storage now. Close it back. In here, feel like you know one day and somebody vexes us come lie down and sleep. Just have something to eat. Even though them say you can't eat nothing in here, but we are heading back out. I think I'm done for today. Tomorrow again we'll pack some more stuff and come back and stuff like that. So I'm heading out. We're gonna get something to eat and stuff like that. The kids are calling me. Gotta walk backwards because you know we lock them out. I'm not gonna open it. The one. It closed now?